Hey there everyone, I'm Liddy Rose, and this is Car Hubz Vang. If you're as passionate about cars as we are, hit that subscribe button and join the community. On this channel, we'll dive into the world of high-performance cars, give you expert reviews, share maintenance tips, and take you on some epic car adventures. For more inspiration and tips, check out this week's 5 car tricks. From classic beauties to the latest supercars, we've got it all covered. We'll take you under the hood to explore what makes these cars tick, give you first-hand reviews, and help you find the best deals in the market. Whether you're looking to buy your dream car, fix up your current ride, or just stay updated on the latest car trends, Car Hubz Vang has you covered. Don't forget to drop your questions in the comments. We love hearing from you and interacting with our amazing car community. And if you haven't already, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for tuning in to Car Hubz Vang. Stay fast, stay furious, and keep cruising. This script incorporates a dynamic introduction to grab viewers' attention, highlights what your channel offers, and encourages interaction through comments and subscriptions. You can adjust the tone based on whether you want it more casual or professional.